What's up, guys and girls? It's your boy Jay, your registered nurse here, and today we're going to be talking about hair fibers. Quick backstory in regards to myself. I am 29 years old. I started balding very early. I mean, maybe 19, 20. So I got 2 transplants. I got 2 hair transplants, and I think it went fairly well. However, I still see light spots, and that's where it leads us to today's topic of hair fibers, right? So I have a great product here, and it's called SureThik Hair Fibers. Basically, this is a keratin-based hair fiber that just connects and locks in with the natural hairs that you already have on your head. And it just makes your hair look so thicker, right? So if you have those light spots that we all kind of struggle with sometimes, depending on if it's the lighting or if you're balding, you know, at a more advanced rate than others, it doesn't matter. SureThik can definitely help. As you can see on the bottle, they tell us that it thickens your hair within 10 seconds. So let's put it to the test and see. So right after opening up the product, I can see that there's a head that allows you to do a sprinkle effect. If you want to sprinkle the product on your head, you can do that, like a shake method. However, for myself, I will be using this detachable nozzle that they do have readily available. Basically, you just twist off the top and then attach it like so. So this is basically what it looks like, and all you have to do is put this on top, find the groove, and twist it on. And you're good to go. So before you get started, you will have a push pin in the nozzle. You just want to make sure you take that out, but you don't want to lose it, right? You don't want hair fibers everywhere. They have a nice area right on top that you can just save your push pin. So I'm going to stick the push pin there, and boom, we have that for later, and it's not going to drop out. So the next step is to turn it upside down, so you can have the fibers drop from the top down to the nozzle, and then you give it a spray. Whew. All right, so we got most of the steps down. I'm looking at my head and I'm ready to make this a very nice, very dark situation. Before we go any further, I just want to show you what my head looks like now so you can see the before and after. This is my front hairline area, mid scalp. This is the left side of my head with the left side of the crown. My crown area and the back of my head, right side. After you put your holding spray in, it's not going anywhere. You're gonna have a good time. So if it rains, don't be too worried. If you touch your head or if someone touches your head, you should definitely be good as well. I'm just so excited. All right, let me show you guys what this looks like. So the first thing you want to do, apply your fibers. And you just want to get a good distance so the fibers can just drop naturally and evenly. If you're too close, it'll create dark spots, and you don't need that. I'm doing this freehand because I'm comfortable. However, they do have applicating assistance. This is their SureThik assistive comb. And if you feel like you need to get a certain area, everybody's hair pattern is different. Everybody's weak spots or lighter spots are different. So this just helps you get a better blend depending on what you're spraying. So let's continue. And just like that, we're almost done. The last thing we have to do now, holding spray. All right, this is the SureThik holding spray. And basically what it's gonna do is it's gonna keep those hairs in place. And this holding spray works magic with that method. All you have to do is spray this and you're good to go. You can go outside, you can do light exercises. If you get caught in the rain, you're not gonna have fibers dripping down your forehead. This is a good product and I like these hair fibers. I wouldn't talk about anything that I don't use myself, so this is actually a great product. No cap. Get it? No cap. All right, don't worry about it. All right, so let's jump into the spray. And just like everything else, we're just gonna put it over evenly. Couple sprays and we're done. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's make sure we get that crown. And one more for good luck and good measure. Just like that, your hair fibers will be locked in. You're gonna look good, you're gonna feel good, you're gonna get some confidence back, and you won't even have to worry about those light spots anymore. So it is natural keratin-based hair fibers. It will work in the beard as well. It's not its primary function, but it's hair fibers, and they're good hair fibers. Let's see what it looks like. Get your holding spray. Just like that, we're good to go. We're ready for a night on the town, looking crispy. Woo, hair all thick, beard thick. Ooh, I like it. So I'm gonna put a side by side of the before and afters so you can see it up close. So this is the after. This is the front. Mid scalp and crown. This is the left side. And crown. This is the back. And this is the side, right side and crown. And we're back to the front. I feel like a new man. I feel like money right now. I'm not gonna lie, I could tackle the world. This product has colors that really match with your hair naturally. I've used other hair fibers and it looks a bit darker. And then I don't like the dark brown versions because they look too light. So this one actually caught my hair color very closely, and I really like that. You guys give it a try. I had a great experience, and thanks for watching. It's your boy Jay, your registered nurse here, and I'm gonna catch you guys on that next video. Peace.